So this is just one way, it's the way I'm thinking of doing it, of duplicating characters for a string. So as part of the ASCII program, you need to be able to create a string of characters from a set of numbers. That's converting the run length encoding code into an actual picture. And so I wrote a little bit of code here that says process character. So my processing of the character, I'm taking the character itself, the quantity, how many we're going to put next to each other, and the current string, because we're going to add it on to the string that we've already got. And all we've done in this bit of code is use a for I in range loop, and I'm going to go from the start, from 0 to whatever the quantity is, so however many I want to reproduce, and simply I'm just going to add to the current string itself plus the character that's been sent. So I've made it a string just to make sure that whatever characters come in there will be converted to a string and can be added onto here, just in case it's a number and it's been interpreted as an integer, because we want it to be a string. And then all we're doing is returning the current string. So when we return that string, it's coming down to this bit of code that I've just used in order to make this work. So I've got some inputs from the user. So the user character just there, inputting whichever character it is you want to duplicate. The user quantity, an integer, how many characters do we want to make? And then I've just made new string equal process character, sent it the 3 parameters, and it comes back and prints the string. So when we run that, we put in a character. So let's say we put in Y. How many characters do we want? Well, let's have 5. And it makes a string with 5 Y's in it. And really, that's all there is to that one. So this bit I've just added to make this work, but obviously when you're doing the actual program, you're going to want to step through the string, split it into 3s so that you can find the number and the character, and then send those to something like this. Hopefully that's a bit of help.